Picture yourself in the 2022 Jeep Wagoneer. Prepare to take your driving pleasure to new heights and enjoy the best of modern efficiency and style. You'll love the advanced safety features, quiet cabin, and responsive handling this vehicle has to offer. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun moonroof, keyless entry, navigation system, fog lamps, premium sound system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, cooled front seat, four-wheel drive, heated rear seat. Smooth, sporty style was never so smart. See for yourself when you take a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.